MOE will set aside around $100 million annually for the ITE Progression Award and support Singaporean ITE graduates aged 30 and below on their upgrading journeys. On diploma enrolment, ITE graduates will receive $5,000 top-up to their post-secondary education accounts. On diploma completion, they will receive a further $10,000 top-up to their CPF ordinary account. These top-ups will help offset the cost of obtaining a diploma and boost their savings to support their longer-term goals. I'm pleased to inform Mr. Wan Rizal, Mr. Daryl David, and Mr. Cheryl Taha that the IPA will be awarded from 2024 to eligible ITE graduates enrolling in diplomas issued by the Polytechnics, ITE, NAFA, and LaSalle, which meet industry needs. Singaporean ITE graduates who are currently enrolled in diplomas will also receive the OA top-up on diploma completion. The IPA is our investment in the longer-term prospects of our ITE graduates. With the IPA, more ITE graduates will deepen skills mastery and secure stronger progression prospects in their chosen careers.